Today in Granny's kitchen we're going to make a cheesecake. Now it's a similar process as the banoffee pie. You blitz your 15 digestive biscuits. You can use a biscuit basher or a potato masher if you wish, or if you've got a food processor, that's obviously a very quick way. So 15 digestive biscuits, 2 lemons, a tub of Philadelphia soft cheese, and a tin of condensed milk. Now, similarly to what we did with the banoffee pie, I'm just melting the butter here, and to that butter I'm going to add our digestive biscuits and flatten them into the flan base. It's exactly the same base, and I've already squeezed the lemons there. So I'm just blending that melted butter, making sure the digestive biscuits are coated really well. Put it into your flan dish like that. And flatten the biscuit base down. Okay, so that should be enough for this stage. Pop this in the fridge again. It's actually quite a good idea to keep your lemons, condensed milk and Philly cheese in the fridge the night before, because the mixture does benefit from being kept very, very cool. Into a jug, the cheese and the condensed milk. 165 grams it said. Just be careful you don't pick up one with chives and things in it. Make sure it's just the plain, the plain Philly cheese. And your tin of condensed milk is beautifully chilled. It's been in the fridge last night. So with your hand blender, just mix those ingredients together. So just a couple of minutes blends those things together. Now with a clean metal spoon, I prefer just to fold the lemon juice in rather than mixing it in. At this stage, this is when it can go terribly wrong if the ingredients aren't really chilled. So just keep stirring that until it begins to thicken. Once you pop it back in the fridge, obviously it can be there for a couple of hours before you serve. Okay, so I'll just bring my base out. And again, if it's Christmas or whatever, you can do all these bases the night before and just do the fillings in the morning. And then you're just going to pour all of that mixture into the base. I sometimes get a bag of frozen raspberries or frozen strawberries. You can put fresh fruit in the top if you wish. You can keep it just plain, but basically that's your basic cheesecake.